Good morning. We'll be demonstrating two programs this morning from brickplcs.com. Both programs are written with Visual Basic Express 2010, and when we ship it with the project files, completely open source, so that you can make changes to it as you see fit. If we take a quick look at that program, you can see there's no hidden classes or modules. There's no hidden drivers being used. It's using all standard system imports. And again, we keep the program completely open source so you can see it and change it and even upgrade it to Visual Basic Express 12 or 14 or 16 or whatever they've got coming. If I start that program, this is what the interface looks like. It's used with an 05 or 06 PLC from Direct Logic or Automation Direct. It will look at the internal C bits, the inputs, outputs, memory locations, timers, and counters, and it gives you the ability to look at bits or memory locations outside that range by changing the starting address up here. If I switch between 05 and 06, it simply turns off the outputs and inputs that aren't being used on the smaller PLC unit. Let's take a quick look at what I've got running on my network. So I've got two ECOM100 modules, one at address 107, the other at address 109. We'll be using the one at 107, which is an Direct Logic 06 PLC. If I take a quick look at the program that's running on that PLC, it's really simple. A few internal bits, a couple of timers, a couple of counters, so that we can see how it reads that information. I'll just position this down here so we can take a look. Again, it's at the 107 address. When I make the connection, it went out and read the information. It sees that 1 and 2 are made. If I change one on and off, you can see it change up here on the Direct Logic screen. So it's really that simple. It's looking at the counters and the timers and displaying that information. It's got a timer you can set internally to tell it how often to go out and look for that information. Again, now if we take a look at the Visual Basic program, it's very simple. It's open so that you can see it and change it. It uses some standard TCP functions, read the C bits, read the output coils. It lets you go out there and get that information. So again, you can change this any way you see fit, change the form, add anything to it you want. This is meant as just the starting point for a communication program, a TCP type Modbus communication program with the Direct Logic PLCs. So visit us at brickplcs.com. We normally include this with, if you buy an Ethernet module, we normally include this, both of these programs with those module purchases.